Secret document explains Ripple XRP will be used as the future payment currency. Ripple, the world's fastest-growing crypto payment powerhouse, works with banks, regulators, and policymakers in several governments for the adoption of digital payments. Ripple is adopted by many banks, and it has such features that it can replace the banks. Recently, there was a document released that has now confirmed that XRP will be used as the future payment currency. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about why XRP can replace banks and the central bank digital currencies. You will also know about the secret document that has confirmed that XRP will be used with the central bank's digital currencies and will be the future financial system. So, let's start our video. XRP will replace the banks. Pat White, CEO of Bitwave, said that Ripple was designed from the very beginning to essentially be a replacement for SWIFT, or to otherwise replace the settlement layer between major financial institutions. The aim of Ripple is to attract companies like large banks, remittance services, and payment providers who are interested in the technology. It means that it's easy to see that Ripple is more of a competitor to established financial infrastructure services such as SWIFT than to other cryptocurrencies. A report from Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum presents blockchain technology as a solution for multiple sectors from governments, finance, data access, and scalability. And guess what? Ripple products are part of the solutions presented. According to the report, blockchain technology is appropriate for improving several key banking system functions, such as payments, settlements, and transaction validation. The report points out that the DLT technology on which XRP operates can bring improvements in 5 key points: security, speed, transparency, traceability, cost, and risk management. The report also notes that a bank can eliminate the complicated process required by SWIFT and replace it with an XRP pool. That way, a bank can allocate less liquidity as part of a service and still obtain the same amount of transaction volume in global payments. According to that report, a survey was conducted for the banks, and several banking institutions agree on the disadvantages of the SWIFT network for making transactions. These are costly, have many obstacles, and involve many parties to be completed. Also, one banking institution representative surveyed stated that the SWIFT network is not appropriate for corporations. While Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are positioning themselves as independent alternatives to traditional currencies and central banks, the goal of Ripple is more or less the exact opposite. Ripple wants to act as a global settlements network and hence work closely together with banks, payment providers, and other financial institutions. The goal of Ripple is to serve as a flexible middleman currency in order to facilitate the exchange of any unit of value. Ripple will replace central bank digital currencies. Ripple has announced a massive XRP plan, which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. The future financial monetary systems are all going to be based on CBDCs. Every government and every central bank is going to have its own CBDC, and Ripple is building a core component that will power all of this and make XRP the world currency for them all. These are very ambitious plans that Ripple has, which will massively increase the utilization of XRP. An increase in the utility of XRP means an increase in XRP price. Ripple published a blog post saying it's piloting a private version of the open-sourced XRP ledger to provide central banks with a solution for central bank digital currencies. Numerous technology, consulting, and payments firms are vying to provide central bank digital currency, or CBDC, solutions for what will be lucrative long-term deals. One of the highest profile ones is MasterCard. Ripple says that distributed ledger technology, or DLT, will be the basis for most CBDCs, just as it is for today's cryptocurrencies. We don't believe that's a foregone conclusion. While many central banks see the advantages of DLT, they've also voiced concerns about the novelty compared to existing infrastructure and the scalability issues. Ripple's head of global banking, the XRP token could act as a bridge between digital central bank currencies, which themselves lack interoperability. It is also predicted that the trend toward digital currencies will be accelerated by the corona pandemic. In this regard, Ripple is testing a version of its distributed ledger for central bank digital currencies, contending its technology can add scale and speed for mass assurance. The blockchain company says XRP can be a bridge asset between CBDCs and other digital currencies. The claim is a potential source of controversy because the SEC is suing Ripple and pushing for XRP to be regulated as an investment. Secret document confirms XRP will be used with cbdc. A document was released by Central Banking on 18th of May 2021 that was written by Klaus Martin Lober, who is the head of oversight of the European Central Bank, with the name of Cross-Border Payment and Cooperative Oversight. This document has some really important confirmation for Ripple XRP holders. This document covers overview of applications for cross-border payment frameworks, key risks associated with innovative cross-border payment solutions, implications for legal and regulatory frameworks, and cross-jurisdiction regulatory and supervisory cooperation and coordination. In the section where the author mentioned the new forms of cross-border and cross-currency settlement, there was the name of Ripple. Here, Ripple Connect was mentioned as alternative connectivity services. Ripple liquidity was also mentioned as use for crypto assets as a bridge currency. This proves that XRP will be used as the future financial system because it can replace the banks, it can replace SWIFT, it is a bridging cross-border payment, and it can also be used with the central bank digital currencies. This document also presented the evolution of the financial ecosystem. This included retail payments, non-bank service providers, and cross-border services. The World Economic Forum has also stated that XRP is the most relevant currency for wholesale cbdc adoption. Also, XRP has been called the future global payment currency by the World Economic Forum. Ripple has announced a massive XRP plan which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all central bank digital currencies. The future financial monetary systems are all going to be based on cbdc's. Every government and every central bank is going to have its own cbdc, and Ripple is building a core component that will power all of this and make XRP be the world currency for them all. XRP, the future global payment currency. Ripple, who is behind the XRP, is working on fast, instant, reliable, and cost-effective cross-border real-time payments and other activities related to the money transmission using XRP. Ripple is also the stakeholder with 10% of the shares with MoneyGram. MoneyGram is a money transfer giant, as a strategic move to help customers to switch to RippleNet easily and to leverage ODL or on-demand liquidity. Ripple has a growing network of more than 300 customers and financial institutions like American Express, PNC, Yes Bank, Access Bank, etc., and payment providers for global payments and service delivery. Now, the small companies are looking for such services as the ones offered by Ripple to make a global presence and enter new markets and improve the customer experience. And secondly, Ripple has also consistently been collaborating with a commitment of $50 million with prominent universities around the world to assist and accelerate academic research, technical development, and innovation in blockchain, cryptocurrency, and digital payments. The coming years will bring a tremendous rise in financial institutions through RippleNet as the adoption of digital assets and blockchain technology in mobile wallets and apps will become more mainstream as they look to expand their service to keep up with customer demand and compete with digital banks. Ripple keeps announcing new partnerships with the largest banks in multiple countries. It has recently also joined the largest bank of Egypt. XRP is a friendly currency more than any other cryptocurrency. Tesla has also announced that it will be looking for a currency with less than 1% of energy consumption of Bitcoin. The World Economic Forum has also called XRP its favorite for the future global payment currency. Its unique features of having low transaction time and fees and being cheap makes it the favorite of investors and financial institutions. Ripple's on-demand liquidity services use XRP as a kind of bridge between currencies, which it says allows payment providers and banks to process cross-border transactions much faster than they would over legacy payment rails. So why would it not replace the banking systems and be the future global payment currency? According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.04 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $8 billion USD. The XRP price is up 5.18% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $48 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Will XRP be used as a financial payment currency worldwide soon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.